Hello and welcome back guys. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Tie the plaits from the spun side and then fix it on the another side. Tie it using a rubber band. Now we will make the braids of the rest of the hairs. After making the braids, tie it from the bottom and then roll it upwards as we have done in this video. Fix it using a hairpin. Now apply some floral hairpins and your beautiful bun is ready. Next we will make a very gorgeous hairstyle. Tie a ponytail, take few parts of the hair and make a few braids. After making it, divide the hairs in 3 parts and make the plaits out of it as we are doing in this video. Divide the hairs carefully and follow this step very carefully. Tie the hairs from the bottom using a floral garter and your beautiful hair is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Tie the hairs and then pull out some hairs from the top as we are doing in this video. Now we will make the braids. After we are completed with the braids, we will fold the hairs upwards. Fold the hairs very carefully and then fix it using the hairpin and your beautiful hair bun is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Take few hairs and tie it as we are tying. Take the hairs from both the sides carefully one by one and keep tying the hairs. Follow the steps until shown in the video. After you reach the end, take all the hairs and make the plaits out of it. Take equal sections of the hairs, otherwise it won't look good. After it, then we will roll the hairs upwards and tie it using a floral garter and it looks so beautiful. It's ready. Next, take few hairs and tie it on the corner. Now, divide the hairs in 2 parts. Take one part of the hair and fix it on the alternative side using the hairpin. This pin is easily available in the market. Now pull out the hair and then we will tie the braids out of it. After we are completed with the plaits, we will fold the hair on the alternative sides very carefully and fix it using a hairpin. And it's ready. Hope you like this hairstyle. Enjoy! Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Divide the hairs in 2 parts and tie it. Then roll the hairs as we are rolling. After then fold it and fix it the hairs as we have done. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Then fix the hairs on the alternative sides using the hairpin and your beautiful bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy! Next, tie few parts of the hairs. After leaving the few parts, tie all the hairs as we are doing in this video. Now roll the hairs upwards carefully as we have done in this video and fix it using a hairpin. Now take the leftover part of the hairs and fold it from the upside and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.